Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a pre-owned 2012 Yamaha YZF-R6. This is a World GP 50th Anniversary Edition and is serial numbered. So this bike has just under 7,800 miles on it, and we'll be going through our 25-point inspection. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, and then we'll fire it up for you. This bike has had a minor tip over on both sides, but the damage to it is super minor. Dark tinted windscreen. Tires on it are in good shape, plenty of miles left on them. Flush mount front signal. Adjustable lever. Some light scrapes on the edge of the mirror here, as well as on the body panel and the lower fairing, but they're really light. It's got aftermarket rider pegs, as well as a Yosh pipe and stand spools. Got a little nick here on the edge of the tail. Got a little nick here on the end of the tail. Comes with an integrated tail, fender eliminator, and a good looking back tire. Looks like there's plenty of life left in that. And again, our stand spools. On the left side, again, we've got a few marks along the tail edge here. Pegs. Grips. Levers. Flush mount front signals, and on this side the engine cover got it. Let's see here. I took a picture of it. Let's see if it turns out in the camera. Oh, there you go, and there's a serial number plate, 1280 out of 1500, and again the dark tinted windscreen. I don't know if I mentioned the tank pad. I think I did. Alright. 7741 is what's on it. Come on. Doesn't seem to want to focus. Alright. This 2012 Yamaha YZF-R6 GP Edition is a pre-owned motorcycle, which means it will be going through our 25-point inspection. Thank you for shopping SimplyRideUSA.com.